Positano, guys. Positano. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we made it to Salerno. We are currently waiting for our boat, our ferry, to take us to Positano. Just the view right now in Salerno is beautiful. We're like in this boatyard, marina. So beautiful. We are just eating some fruit plates right here at the port, waiting to board. We have about like 40 minutes. And Xavier is here.
Throw his toys at me.
They've got some gelato. And we'll be off to the next one.
Zigzag staircase right there to go up to this white mansion hotel. Insane. Insane.
Buongiorno from Positano, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. We made it to Positano. We got here last night and we showed you a room tour immediately. We wanted to show you it while it was nice and clean, so I'm gonna insert that now. Alright guys, we wanted to show you the room as soon as we got here. This might be in the middle of the video somewhere, but we wanted to show it as soon as we got here before we messed it up. So, welcome to our room in Positano. So, you see there's beautiful tile floors as soon as you come in. We've got the bed right here. Art, bench, put your shoes on, ready. And then over here, we've got a little table. makeup area. You can see yourself that well. And then, should we show them the view? Whoa. Let's show you the bathroom first. Cute little bathroom. Just simple, old school. Really cute. There's a bidet. A nice size shower. You can see the size. Super cute in here. Oops. Toilet. See the tile, the little flower work, so Italian. This window's so cute. The bidet comes through this bidet in this little window. And then, all the way over here. Got a little closet.
Ceiling.
Oh, here's a good mirror.
Oh, here it is.
Really discovering it with us.
Ah.
Built in, but it also looks like a cabinet.
Yeah.
Have we shown the ceiling yet?
Yep.
Nice dome, beautiful ceiling. And then we're gonna take you to the best part, right here. To the view. Wow. Positano, guys. Positano. Cannot believe. No, I can't believe. We manifested it. We're here. It's a dream come true. Look at this water view. Alright guys, we are going to get ready to eat and enjoy the beach. We're gonna get back to the normal program of the vlog, but wow, you'll see a lot more of this view. Yeah, thanks for watching. And then, of course, now is the next day, and we are ready to enjoy a full day here in Positano. We are currently at the dock. At the dock here, waiting for our boat for the Adolfo restaurant to arrive. And yeah, the boat just comes, picks us up. We're gonna go take it to the restaurant, which is right on the beach. Can't wait to show you that. But here is baby boy in this beautiful view.
Xavier.
Xavier. Xavier.
Buongiorno.
This little baby boy already got some color, getting a little tan.
Yeah, swole too, look at the muscle.
But guys, it's so beautiful here. We are excited to finally like get a beach vacation, because Rome and Venice was just go, go, go. Yep. Our feet were literally hurting. We were walking like 6 to 7 miles a day. Yep. So now is our time to relax, and we're gonna show you it all. So keep watching. And go ahead and give it a like. Go ahead and give it a like just for this view. Just for this view. Give it a like. Sí, baby. Nos vamos, nos vamos. Ah, 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 nos vamos, nos vamos, nos vamos. Oh, oh. Is she baby? Oh, oh. Ese baby? Wow, wow.
Xavier. Xavier. Come on.
Because I had them too long.
So we're at the local, we made it, you guys saw the entrance. Wow, the eggplant parmesan is so good. So excited to try this pasta. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
And then the clam spaghetti you got, babe.
The clam spaghetti.
And then show them the view. The view is so beautiful. Alright, getting cranky.